Want to program a key fob for your 2009-2014 Nissan Cube yourself? It's a straightforward process that can save you money. First, ensure your Cube is unlocked and you have all electronics turned off. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine, then back to off 5 times within 10 seconds. This activates the programming mode, usually indicated by flashing hazard lights or a beep. Immediately press and hold the lock button on your key fob. The car should respond by locking or unlocking. Repeat this for any additional fobs. To exit programming mode, turn the ignition to on again or wait about 30 seconds. Success hinges on precise timing, so follow each step carefully. Using OEM fobs is recommended to avoid compatibility issues. A common mistake when programming your key fob is skipping the 5th ignition cycle. This prevents the car from entering programming mode. If using an aftermarket key fob, ensure it operates on the correct frequency for Nissan vehicles, 314 MHz. If the programming process fails, double-check your vehicle's battery and ensure it is stable and charged. Static electricity can interfere with the process. Ground yourself before starting to avoid this issue. While DIY programming is safe for basic users, consult a professional locksmith or Nissan-certified mechanic if you encounter repeated issues. Remember that Nissan stopped officially supporting the Cube model in 2020, so parts might become scarce, but this DIY method remains viable for most owners.